Now we are going to study types of circuit breaker part 1. When we are talking about the circuit breaker, we can divide basically circuit breaker in two parts. The first one is the oil-less circuit breaker. The first one is oil-less circuit breaker, and the second one is oil circuit breaker. When we talk about the oil-less circuit breaker has many types, that is starting from air blast circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker. This is vacuum circuit breaker. Second one is SF6 circuit breaker. Third one is ABCB, air blast circuit breaker. So this one is this three types of circuit breaker is oil-less circuit breaker, and in oil circuit breaker there is another two types of circuit breaker, that is minimum oil circuit breaker and bulk oil circuit breaker. Bulk oil circuit breaker. So first we are going to discuss about these two, this ABCB and SF6. Then we will discuss about the vacuum, then oil circuit breaker. So first one is ABCB circuit breaker, air blast circuit breaker. This point is not very important for gate point of view. For the last 10 years there has not been any kind of question asked, and it has the probability not to ask the question in the next examination too. But I am reviewing here. AB circuit breaker is the pressure in ABCB is maintained around 30 kg per centimeter square. Second point is ABCB is most suitable for EHV and UHV lines. The third point is for interrupting high voltage and high current system. And the fourth point is resistance switching is used. We know why resistance switching is used. Resistance switching is used to avoid the race tracking phenomena in circuit breaker. So if any question will be asking, you should know these 4 points on the gate point of view. Now we are going to study SF6 circuit breaker. So next is SF6 circuit breaker. So SF6 circuit breaker is 3 to 5 times better than air because of its electronegativity property. What is electronegativity property? Electronegativity property means affection for electron. You can see from the equation what will happen basically when you will have this circuit breaker contact and the arc is present, means electron is present here. So what will it do is SF6 will come and it will do reaction with electron and it will become SF5 minus plus F. So electron has been reacted by this SF6. So the arcing is due to electron and electron is accumulated with this SF6. So the arc will remove and this will move out of the way. So this is very important. So SF6 gas is maintained above 14 kg per centimeter square. Below this pressure, SF6 gas is in powder form. So it is very difficult to maintain this 14 kg per centimeter square. So it will be very costly. SF6 circuit breaker is used for 11 to 220 kV. And one more point, without resistance switching, the circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breaker are capable of interacting low inductive or low capacitive current. This basically, SF6 circuit breaker is suitable for current chopping phenomena. Because we know that natural current zero, if we interrupt, then we will be needing more powerful element than air. So that is why we use SF6 circuit breaker.